Welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and follow the About Spiritual on the social media.
What does it mean when a bird hits your window? Birds live quite a simple life. They fly in the sky to move to another place and find food. They eat and collect food, get back to their nest, and then take rest. That's what most of the birds do. Some even migrate to different parts of the world during different seasons. They can fly high and cover long distances. We all know these things, but problem occurs when a bird hits our window. What does it mean when a bird hits your window? Some people would say that it is just an accident. What if it is not, and what if it has a hidden message for you? A bird might rarely collide with your window if it is dark. If that's not the case, then it can be something else. It could mean that you may soon deal with a big obstacle. It may also symbolize the end of a relationship that did not work for you. Birds look impressive when they are flying or enjoying the sunlight. It is a scaring experience to see a bird hitting your window. That's why I decided to explore what does it mean when a bird hits your window. I found some interesting meanings behind this event, which I have shared in this post. Bird hitting window. Most of the things happen to us have spiritual messages. We cannot understand most of them because we have to deal with other important things in our daily lives. However, some incidents catch our attention because it is tough for anyone to ignore them. A bird keeps hitting window is one of them. It can be a good or bad omen. It takes just a few minutes to understand the meaning of that spiritual sign. Many birds are considered spiritual animals. Some of them are treated as messengers and some as good luck. Some cultures also consider birds as guardian angels, which try to prevent mishaps in your life with their signs and messages. A bird hitting window is a rare incident, and that's why it is so important. You should memorize the details of this incident to decipher it later. It would be tough for you to understand what message the bird is trying to convey without psychic expertise. We have made it simple for you to understand. It is a powerful sign, which you should never ignore. Yes, it can be a bad omen, but most of the time that's not the case. Birds are curious creatures. They often get attracted towards the reflection occurring in your window's glass. They see their reflection and start hitting it. The homeowners find it entertaining, and it has no significant meaning. What if a bird bangs against your window and falls down? It has an important message for you. Traditionally, this sign means someone is going to die in the future. To be more specific, something will end in your life, and that bird has come to deliver the message from the spirit world in its own way. It can be anything from a relationship or a phase of your life. Do not get scared if such an event occurs in your life. It is a sign that something will end and a new thing will start in your life when you are facing tough time. It is a bad omen if you are in a relationship and if it may end in the future. It will be an emotional experience for you, but you will soon meet someone new in your life. Bird flying into window. Is there a spiritual meaning behind bird flying into window? Yes, there are spiritual meanings when such incident occurs. The sign you get through such incidents can change your life. The birds carry an important message whenever they fly into your window or hit your window. They are the messenger of the spiritual world. Their signs and messages are important to understand if you believe in good and bad omen. These creatures are quite symbolic in the Bible. They are close to the God, and the God is sending messages through these creatures. It can mean that you are quite worried about money. The bird flying into your window is an indicator that the God cares about you. Whatever financial trouble you are facing now, it will vanish very soon. The God will resolve these issues, and you will be happy again. That's a message bird delivers to you. You are searching what does it mean when a bird hits your window. It means you are more concerned about bird hitting your window. So, it is a sign that you will soon experience a positive change in your life. The bird hits window because it is failing to find a place to land. It is a sign that your troubles are not resolved yet. However, you will soon find a solution, and a positive change will take place in your life. Many ancient cultures believe that birds bring good luck and fortune. This would not be the case if you buy a bird and cage it into your house. That's cruelty because the God has created each creature to roam freely on this planet. It means good luck only when the bird flies into your house on its own. It indicates that you will soon experience abundance and God's blessings. A bird flying into window can be your guardian angel. It is trying to gain your attention. You will ignore the sign if you don't pay attention to the messages sent by your guardian angels. It can be a crucial indication that might affect your future actions. What does it mean when birds fly into your car? Being the messengers from the spiritual world, birds become your guide when you are on a spiritual path. They appear in your lifetime and again and sometimes also fly into your car. What does it mean when birds fly into your car? It can be a bad omen. Many cultures believe that bird flying into the vehicle is not a good sign. This incident signifies that you will go through some difficult times in the future. That bird has come as your guardian angel to warn you about the upcoming situations in your life. There will be obstacles in your path, and you will have to find solutions to overcome those obstacles. Birds don't usually hit the running vehicles. They stay away from cars and other vehicles because they are scared of these moving objects on the road. If a bird comes in your way and you hit it, that's a bad omen. It indicates that someone you know may face health issues or die in the near future. People in many cultures believe that bird striking the window is a symbol of death. Someone close to you is about to die, and the bird has come to warn you. There are both good and bad omens associated to birds. Don't worry about it, because they won't fly into your car or collide with your car every day. It occurs only when an important incident is going to take place in your life. It warns you and prepares you for the upcoming changes in your life. Spiritual meaning of bird flying in front of you. Birds' actions have some important symbolic meanings. Every ancient culture believed something different, but birds were there in their legends, books, and folklores. Some spiritual texts and books describe meanings of various birds and their actions. There are so many beautiful birds. You may encounter any of their species. The spiritual meaning of bird flying in front of you would not be the same in every culture. It can be a positive symbol for some and a negative omen for others. Suppose you spot an owl flying in front of you, you will soon experience some important changes, and it is a sign of wisdom. Condor symbolizes both life and death, and falcons indicate power and agility. The eagle does not fly that low, but if it happens, it means the god is sending indications of freedom and healing. Every bird carries a different message for you, and they can be good or bad for you. Conclusion. Birds don't fly into windows every day. It happens rarely, and it can have no meaning if the bird is reacting to its reflection in the glass. You have just learned what does it mean when a bird hits your window. You can understand the sign if this rare incident occurs in an unnatural way. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments below which topics you want me to cover next. Earn some karma points by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out more videos on this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.